Tell your daddy say you need money. Tell him say you're hungry.
Yeah, Dad, I'm hungry and I need some money.
Tell him say you want $2,000.
And I need 2,000. Wait, what?
$2,000, you deaf? Shut up.
Yeah, I need $2,000. Dad said he not giving me no $2,000.
Tell him say if you're not getting, you're not going to have no money for your school things, lunch for go school, new shoes for school. All him sitting there. Tell him say me broke and me not have it. Tell him say me get fired, me not have it.
Mommy said she's broke and she don't have no.
Me tell that? Me?
Yes, Mom.
What a girl wicked. Come, you know, don't put this damn Ras phone. Give me the phone. You idiot.
No.
Listen, the money is for you, idiot. Move, man. You swallow the whole damn thing. The man that give you nothing. And me I ask for. No, are you me I ask? I know me I ask it for. Are you? I'll leave if it link you with this, you know. Move. What do you have to tell the man say me?